video we'll discuss about kite ABCD is shown, as you can see that. And in this case we will discuss midpoint as well, midpoint of BD. And then later on we will try to find out AM divides the line segment AC in the ratio 1:5, calculate the coordinate of C. So if we first try to find M coordinates, so we can say that 4 comma 0, so midpoint of BD, which is M, and it is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So this is equal 2 plus 4 over 2 and 4 plus 0 over 2, and that is 6 over 2, 4 over 2, which is equal 3 comma 2. In second part, boys, we have to find out AM divides the line segment AC in the ratio of 1:5. Calculate the coordinate of C. So if we plot these points on the graph right side on the grid, it would be like that. And if we connect B and D, we know the midpoint as well. And the line passed through the midpoint. And where is the C point exactly? We are looking that one. These are the points D, which is given 4 comma 0, A point, both are 1 1, and point B is 2 comma 4, and the midpoint is 3 comma 2. Remember that AC in the ratio, like if AM divides the line segment AC in the ratio 1:5. Calculate the point means this is 1 and the next is 5. So now we will find out the point C exactly where it is. So sum of ratio is what? If we check carefully, the sum of ratio is equal 1 plus 5, which is equal 6. So the uh, x coordinate of C point, which is unknown, we don't know that C point is, let's suppose, A comma B, we don't know. So the x coordinate of so remember that if we have a to M, the concept is 2 unit right and 1 unit up. Yes, A to M, so which gives us one part. Same as from M to C we have 5 more parts. It means from M to C we have, if we have 2 unit right for one part, so it means 10 unit right from M and 5 unit up. If I check here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and 1 2 3 4 5, so we'll get exactly this point C, which is if we check from the coordinate system, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 7 unit up. So the end conclusion of point C is, if you try to understand, A to M shows 2 unit right and 1 unit up, which represent the first or one or unit part. Okay, so M to C describes, like, we know it is 1:5. So if this 1 ratio represent 2 unit right, it means 5 ratio represent 10 unit right, 10 unit right, and 5 unit up. In this way, we will find the point C, and you can connect as well with the help of scale. And the required point of C is 13, 7. Next, we have question number 4. And in this question, a line or straight line segment is drawn where O is the origin and point A, B, C, etc. are equally spaced along its length as shown. So along x-axis and y-axis, you can see that the one line represent few points which are O, A, B, C, but all have equal distance. If you check carefully, O to A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 unit right and 1 unit up. Same as from A to B, 1, 2, 3, 4 unit right and 1 unit up. Same as B to C. So that's what they want us in first part. Describe how the coordinate of points change from one point to the next point. So answer of A, we can describe the coordinate of point change like x coordinate 4 unit right, 4 unit right, and y coordinate increases or increase 1 unit up. 1 unit up. In each case, it will happen like this. In B part, they want us to write in same way if they increase the point, our x coordinate and y coordinate, at J, like assuming the points follow the letters of alphabets, deduce the coordinate of J. So if you check carefully, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will come after 10th translation. Yes, after 10th. Each point will come after 4 unit right, 1 unit up each time. So it means if you move to get point J, which comes after 10th time, so you can multiply 10 with 4. So we can say that the point J is basically 10 fours are 40, means 40 unit right, and each time up 1 unit. So J is exactly on the 10th number, so we will say that 10 unit up. So this is the required coordinate of J, we can say that. Next C part, they want us which letter has the coordinate 64 comma 16. And if we break down like this way, 4 multiply 16, which gives me 64, and 1 multiply by 16. So next we will check after 16th letter, like J is on exactly on the 10th. So K, L, M, N, if you check this is 10th, 11, 12, 13, 14, O, P. So P will come exactly on 16th position, 1, 2, which are 64 unit right and 16 unit up is exactly, you can say that point P R, you can say that these are the coordinate of P, which are 64 comma 16. So we can justify our answer part first also, which he wants us to write. Justify your answer in part A. As I already write it, 16 multiplied by 4. So 4 multiplied by x coordinate and 1 multiply with y coordinate, y-axis, we will get these answers. So next part, he wants us to work out the length of the straight line CF. So we must know the point C. C is 12 unit right and 1, 2, 3 unit up. This is C. And the F is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is on sixth letter of the alphabets or sixth position. So the point of F can be 6 fours are 24, and along y-axis 6 means these are the points we have. So the point C is 12 comma 3, and F, which is on sixth position in alphabets. So the points of F are or can be 24 comma 6 unit up. So now we are looking the length. So length of the between 2 point, we can use the formula length of CF is equal. This formula will help you x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So 24 minus 12 whole square, which is equal y2 is 6 minus 3 whole square. And the next step we can say that 12 whole square plus 3 square, which is equal 144 plus 9. So 144 plus 9 square root of 153, which is equal 12.4 units. So this is the length between 2 points, which are the C and F. I hope so you understand.